Hi class 10, let's continue our class and today we'll finish the chapter. Okay, let's finish the chapter. So today we'll start with the topic heating effect of electric current. Okay, heating effect of electric current. Bear with the light. Okay, just listen carefully, then you'll understand. Okay. So heating effect of electric current. First, this we should know the work, isn't it? Work, the unit of work is joule. Okay, so work is electrical work. So first write down electrical work. See, electrical work, uh, first this is your circuit, isn't it? So the electrical work is the work amount of work. See, current is passing through this cycle, isn't it, with some potential V, and the charge is current means there is charge, isn't it? So whatever charge is traveling through this circuit with the given potential difference is called electrical work. Okay, so mathematically, if 1 coulomb of charge is traveling through this wire with some potential difference V, that is the work. Okay, clear? So electrical work, mathematically electrical work is the product of charge flowing through a circuit and the potential, okay, difference. So this is your work. Okay, so if you again replace this Q by, see, I equals to how much? Q by T, isn't it? So Q equals to how much? I into T. So this becomes I V T. Okay, so this is also electrical work. Okay, why? We just replace the charge by this current, isn't it? So this is the formation of, this is the electric current, isn't it? So from here you'll get Q, so we replace Q as I into T, isn't it? Again you can replace this V equals to how much? I R, isn't it? So in place of V put IR, so I into V is your IR into T. So I square R T. Clear? So this is called heating effect of electric current and denoted by H, and this is also called Joule's heating equation. Okay, I square R T. Clear? So again you can change this. So this is what? IR is V, so you can change R. Okay, R equals to how much? R equals to, you were earlier, R equals to V by I. So I square into R how much? V by I into T. So how much? I cancel, एउटा I गयो, isn't it? So you'll get यतापट्टि लेख यहाँ देख्दैन होला. So I V I T. Okay, so this is called Joule heating effect. Okay, bookmark छ. Okay, and denoted by H, I square R T. Clear? So next one is your power. Okay, power is rate of doing work, isn't it? Power तिमीले पढेको छ 9 मा, अलिअलि पढेको छ, 8 मा पनि पढेको छ. Power is rate of doing work, so that means electrical power is how much? So write down electrical power equals to how much? Rate of doing work. So this is the work, isn't it? I square RT. Rate means what? Divided by time t. So t cancel, left I square R. So this is the power. Okay, again you can change R. So again change I square into V by I. So how much? V by I. So this is also a power. Okay, and listen, this is your power, and unit of power is your watt. Okay, unit SI unit of power, SI unit of power is what? Watt. Clear? And denoted by W. Clear? So 1 watt is that power when you transmit a current through a wire with the resistance T, and the time is equals to some time. Okay, clear? So that is your electrical power. So unit of electrical power is what? Watt. Okay, SI unit. So then you can 1 kilowatt is there, isn't it? Kilowatt means 1 kilowatt means 1 into 1000 watt, isn't it? So this is your 1000 watt. Clear? Understood? So that means this is your kilowatt hour. Next one is your in your uh, previous syllabus you have horsepower. Okay, so horsepower, write down horsepower. Okay, horsepower equals to how much? Is denoted by HP, and 1 horsepower is equivalent with 750 watt. 750 watt को चाहिँ के हुन्छ? 1 horse power हुन्छ। जस्तो अब मिनेट बढ्दै गयो नि, किलोमिटर मिटर, त्यहाँदेखि के हुन्छ? माइलेज नि, त्यो त्यस्तै बढ्दै गयो। ओके, सो नेक्स्ट वान इज योर कमर्शियल युनिट अफ पावर। ओके, कमर्शियल युनिट अफ पावर. So write down very important topic, commercial unit of power. So write down commercial unit of power. COMMERCIL, commercial unit. यो भनेको चाहिँ के हो? हामीले यो लाइट चलाउँछ नि, यो लाइट जस्तो अहिले चलिरहेको छ, त्यो चाहिँ अब कसरी पावर डिपार्टमेन्टले हाउ दे विल मेजर. ओके, सो they got the unit. Okay, called kilowatt hour. Okay, kilowatt hour भन्नु मतलब 1 किलोवाट चाहिँ कति घण्टा बल्नु पर्यो? 1 आवर. यसलाई चाहिँ भन्छ 1 युनिट. त्यो मिटर ब्रिज तिम्रो मिटर छ नि, त्यसमा हेरेर त्यो लाइनमेन आउँछ नि इलेक्ट्रिकल डिपार्टमेन्टमा. सो यति बाल्दा चाहिँ के भयो? तिम्रो 1 युनिट हुन्छ. ओके, 1 किलोवाट चाहिँ कति गर्नु पर्यो? 1 घण्टा बल्दाखेरि त्यसलाई चाहिँ के भन्छ? 1 युनिट भन्छ. ओके, त्यसको कति छ अहिले? 715 रुपिस 15 यस्तोहरू होला. ओके, देन दे क्यालकुलेट द बिल. ओके, सो 1 किलोवाट आवर इक्वल्स टु हाउ मच? 1 किलोवाट आवर इक्वल्स टु हाउ मच? 1 किलोवाट इज नि 1000 वाट डिवाइडेड बाई टाइम हाउ मच? Sorry, into 1 hour. Okay, 1 घण्टा बल्नु पर्यो. So this is your then how much in joule? You can change it into joule. So 1000 into hour लाई change गरेर minute then second. Okay, so into 3600 second. So this equals to how much? 3612345 12345 joule. So this is the joule convert. So next topic छ तिम्रो बुकमा जस्ट हेर, एप्लिकेसन ओके एप्लिकेसन हिटरमा के हुन्छ ओके वाट ह्यापन्स टु हिटर हिटरकोमा के हुन्छ हाई रेजिस्टेन्स इट डिपेन्ड्स अन रेजिस्टेन्स इज इन इट इलेक्ट्रिकल पावर जति रेजिस्टेन्स बेसी भयो त्यति के हुन्छ इट विल विथस्ट्यान्ड जस्तो तिम्रो बल्बमा के हुन्छ रेजिस्टेन्स हाई हुन्छ मेल्टिङ पोइन्ट के हुन्छ भेरी हाई क्लियर सो पेज नम्बर हेर 217 ओके देयर यु ह्याभ example 12.10 12.11 12.12 12.13 those are your homework so write down homework के छ example 12.10 11 12 13 okay so these are your homework मजाले गर बुझिहाल्छ त्यहाँदेखि के गर this conclude your chapter okay राम्रै देख्दैछ ल यस अलिकति लाइटको प्रब्लम थियो ओके सो राम्ररी गर्ने त्यहाँदेखि you should upload okay so अरूहरूले देखाएको छैन only this one is submitting their work so अरूहरूलाई के भन्दिनु सबमिट गरेन भने you will not get the marks फाइनलमा अब जति हुन्छ हामीले हाल्नुपर्छ ओके मार्क्स so 20 marks is there isn't it so त्यति बेला we'll check okay so stay tuned so next class will be starting chemistry okay next chapter गर्छु chemistry को okay continue so stay home stay safe and thank you